Manibaugo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Mark Kunanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Guys, for today's vlog, another great discovery dito sa may Porac, Pampanga. Nandito tayo ngayon sa may Reca Farm and Resort.
Actually dito kung gusto yung medyo Bali feels,
Tahimik,
diba? Away from the city.
Exactly.
So talagang pupuntahan nyo to.
Yun guys, so if you wanna know more about this, we're gonna tour you of the place. Samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Welcome dito sa may Reca Farm and Resort, located dito sa may Porac, Pampanga. And pagdating nyo dito guys, bubungad sa inyo itong napakagandang entrance na to. Parang parang lalabas ng Pilipinas, no? So yan, welcome to Reca Farm and Resort. Now, sa may pinakasentro ng Reca Farm and Resort, makikita nating napakalawak na parang yard. So fit ito for stargazing during the night. Ayan. And then gusto kong i-discuss sa inyo yung mga A-house nila dito or mga cabin dito. So meron tayong 12 all in all na A-frame cabin, mga kubo or houses. Pag-usapan natin yung mga rates ng mga cabins dito. So meron tayong cabin A, which is good for 2 packs. 2,000 pesos lang yon. Now for cabin B, meron tayong 4 packs. Now that's only 3,000 pesos. So imagine if you're a family of 4, pwede na tayo dun sa 3,000 pesos na yun, which is 4 packs. Cabins naman that are front view, so those are only good for 2 packs, pero 3,000 pesos naman tayo dun. VIP cabins which are full facing naman, so tignan natin yun, 3,499 pesos, good for 2. Kung private villa naman ang hinahanap mo, available dito yan sa may Reca Farm and Resort. So this is Bali Farm 1. If you notice, you have your own swimming pool, which is again copper technology po yung ginagamit natin dito. Notice guys, napaka nature feel din nito dahil napapaligiran ng halaman. And then dito guys, this is the main villa natin, which is ito yung dalawang bed natin dito. So this is up until 8 person. You still have an indoor table. Additionally, meron tayong napakalaking LCD screen dito. Now you're gonna have your own shower and bath. This is gonna be your Bali Farm 1. So welcome to Bali Farm 2, another private villa na available dito sa Reca. If you notice, mayroon tayong dalawang separate room dito. And I believe this is bigger, no? Somewhat bigger. So notice guys, we also have a hammock or duyan. And then meron tayong sofa, which is this one. So going inside, again, you're gonna be greeted with this large bed, no? Ayan. And then meron din tayong LCD TV. Ang ganda. This time, welcome to Bali Farm Luxury VIP. Major difference. So if you notice guys dito, it has like 3 sections. Copper technology swimming pool dito. Now in the morning, you're gonna have a really great view of the rice farm. So may rice farm tayo dito. Anyway, so let's get inside. Now pagpasok natin dito, this is their living area. So this is the living room. Sofa, again meron tayong LCD TV. Meron din tayong dining table. Now ito yung natin, sink. You have your own shower area, shower room, toilet and bath. And then meron tayong 2 rooms dito. Now there you go, there's the first room. Again, air condition yung lugar natin dito. You're gonna have your parang small working table dito, plus clothing rack. Yan. Okay, so this is gonna be the last villa. I'm gonna giving you a tour. Medyo meron tayong surprise effect dito, no? There you go. Ayun guys, so this is actually up until 8 person. Yan, napakalaki, napaka-spacious ng villa natin. And then dito sa likod na to, sa likod ng pintuan na to, makikita natin yung pool area. Whoop! Surprise! There you go. So again, this private pool or villa, meron siyang sariling pool. Ayan guys, according to our orientation with the owner, ito daw yung pinaka parang mabenta sa kanila kasi nga napakamura nito. Ayan. So sa likod meron tayong pool, this duyan, meron tayong duyan, chillax na mga upuan, you have your own shower area, and ako ang kagandahan dito, if you're gonna choose this one, again yun nga, it's gonna be spacious for you to stay, so matutulog dito. Para sa akin, dun sa napaka-ikling panahon na nandito tayo, nag-enjoy ako, brother.
Actually, kung gusto nyo ma-refresh tuwing morning with the view,
If you're looking for cabins which are good for 2 to 4 person, pwede tayo dyan. If you're looking for private villa naman, meron tayong Bali Farm, meron tayong luxury up until 8 persons, pwede din tayo dyan.
as low as 2,000 pesos makakapag-stay ka na dito.
Alright, so again, kung nagustuhan mong video na to, please share it, like it, and when you share, tag nyo pong We're in Pampanga para malike din namin ang mga sinashare ninyo.
Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys!